ko, sana po maging meaningful and successful itong seminar workshop natin. Sana we embrace yung safeguarding, hindi lang bilang isang program, kundi bilang our moral and spiritual responsibility. Alam po natin, safeguarding is gospel imperative and it is a way of life. So, and it begins with personal conversion. So, sana po, maging successful. I-Gcash nyo na lang po. Para yung boundaries ninyo, yung mga respeto.
First and foremost, I would like to thank God for the gift of life.
Amen.
And mas meaningful po at saka mas napaka-blessed ng aking birthday dahil for the first time, 52 years of my existence, ito po yung araw na hindi ko kasama yung aking biological family. Instead, yung aking spiritual family yung kasama ko.
Amen.
Kasama natin halos. Gusto ko lang Tarlac, di siya mabeting Lema Susha. Sa mga brother, please thank you very much po. You wish po, tsaka prayer, good health po sa akin lahat, especially po sa akin, tsaka peace of mind and heart. And then, sobrang grateful and thankful po ako dahil kayo po ang kasama ko ngayong araw ng ating kaarawan. So, thank you very much po sa lahat. So, let's continue to pray for our parishioners na hindi po natin kasama sa ating effort. Bawal daw, sabi ni Bishop. Okay, mo.
Si Father Jason po ay nagbigay ng 20,000 para sa ating socialization class. Si Mika wala pa. Yung daw lugar sa gabi Peter.
Oo. Happy birthday. Aling pamod. Birthday po. Gusto mo na yan? Pamod mod. Ay, pamod mod. Pamod mod. Pamod mod.